I bought a body cam on Amazon on Black Friday for $23, and on the second day of using it, it already paid for itself. It caught a car almost running me over in the parking lot of Home Depot. I was trying to catch a bus, so I was driving through the parking lot of Home Depot, and I always am on the lookout of anybody backing out because it's hard to see a bicycle if you're backing out. But this guy, he made a left turn and he didn't see me, and he like came
Hey,
within an inch or two, just
what's
running
up,
me
buddy?
over.
Hey, what's up, buddy?